Okay, so remember this video, the best, fastest, and easiest way to sell print-on-demand mugs on Etsy. Well, I listed one, and then I figured, you know what? Let's just keep going. Let's do a work session here. So I did this one, and now I'm going to do this one, which is cancel my subscription. I'm done with your issues. And it's a pretty big file already. I didn't realize how big these were when I was resizing them, so I think I might actually just keep it that size. So let's go through this. I've got everything ready to go. I'm going to show you how I organize things a bit better. So I'm just going to do like Control A and then Control C. I'm actually going to go to my store folder under, actually I'm going to make a folder for this, new folder. Show you how I organize this. And I'll go new folder and we'll go products. Then within here, I'm going to put new folder, mugs. And then in here, I'm going to put the files. So I'll go and I'll just paste those. So now I've got all of my stuff in one place, and it's a lot easier to do. So that was the first one. This is the second one, which I don't know why it's looking like that. Hopefully that's not corrupted or anything. Well, let's click it. No, it's good. I think. I might have to go with a different one. Well, we will try it and see what happens here. So let's get that one up on our store, and let's do that now. So let's go to here, and I'm going to make another folder too. So I'm going to go File, New, and here I'm going to call this Coffee Mugs on Etsy, and we're going to have the title, the description, and the tags. And then that's going to be the name of this document. So now I've got a Google Doc, and I'm going to have all my info in one spot, so it's super easy to just continue to go through. So when I go back here, I'm just going to copy this, and you'll notice I'm using the same title, same description, same everything. So I'm going to paste that right here. And then the description I still don't have yet because freaking ChatGPT is down, which is annoying. But I do have these. So I can try and copy and paste those, or I can just literally run this product analytics on my own listing. And it should pull all of my keywords or my tags and then copy all. And then go back here to my sheet. And just go paste without formatting. There we go. So now I've got those ready. And then the description, I'm just going to either, I kind of have to wait for, I'll see if it works again. I don't know what they're doing. Yeah, now it's giving me this thing. So they're doing something to that. But that is my description writer, which stinks. So I'm going to go back to awkward styles, and I'm going to go to product catalog. Then we're going to go to drinkware, mugs, and then a 15 ounce. And I'm going to add the design, choose a file, choose file, and we'll go back to D drive. And then I just go in here and I grab it. So this one, yeah, it's showing up really weird. Oh, there. Okay, let's open that. Upload. See how that does. Uploading, uploading, uploading. And then just click it. That's actually better. I think I mucked up the other one. So I'm going to try and center this as best I can. Just trying to eyeball it. Well, there's the center. There we go. Alright, let's see what that looks like. Let's do a preview. I might have to adjust it. Yeah. That's too big, so I gotta go back. Let's make that smaller. Try that. Sometimes you gotta play with these to make them right. That's actually not bad. There we go. Okay, so let's do that one. Let's go create template. Which will take me to the next page. And upload to Etsy. There we go. It's good, good, good. Tags, I could put my tags in right here if I wanted. I usually do it in Etsy, but let's try it this way. Something different. Oh, that worked. Okay. Then section, I can do. I gotta resync. So synchronize. Oh, synchronize shop sections. And we'll go coffee mugs. Then we'll do free shipping. An occasion, I'm gonna do birthday. Then I'll put Christmas as the other one. And I'm gonna change the price in Etsy, so I'm gonna upload that. My shop is in USD. I don't know why it keeps doing that, but it does. So, okay. So now, while we're waiting for that, I'm just gonna check this again. It's really bugging me. Like it sends you here. Made several changes, updated the performance. Okay, I do have this plus. So why aren't you letting me into the plus? Super annoying. Yeah, like I have the plus. Something going on. Some update crap, so bummer. But what can you do? So let's go to my dashboard. I'll go. It's already published, yeah. So let's go listings, leave. And it should be there. There it is. Oh, I forgot the video. Okay, so let's go to Canva and make my super simple 5-second video. And we are going to create. We'll do a custom size. We'll do 2000 by 2000. And then we will just grab this. Mugs. We'll call this number 2. Cancel my subscription. And actually, I'm gonna pull those files in there too. I'll do that after. Save, there we go. Okay, so now I'm gonna upload files. I want the mockup there. That big. Okay, and then we'll go animate. Sometimes it does that. Oh, it was attached to the background. Okay, there we go. Okay, there we go. Share, download, MP4, download. Got it. Go back here. While that's downloading, we will move on to our title, which is here. Another company, oh, not a supply, finished product, made to order. And then here I can go and drag and drop that. So I'm going to organize all my files after this into one area. And then I'll go ceramic, white, black, 15, fluid, yes, 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 no, no, occasion, we'll put birthday. And like I said, I'm going to stack up my Christmas stuff. Graphic is Haimerl saying, auto listing. That is my production partner. It's already got that, that's good. Coffee mugs, it's already got my one to go. What the heck? There. And don't need that. This one, I can't remember what I did. $24.95, okay. There we go. Scroll down, apply, publish. So again, I'm gonna have to fix this with the description when it's available, but that's it. So I put in these ones too, but oh well. Now you can do other mockups as well, using, even on here, if you go to smart mockups, there's a bunch of them. You just go like coffee mugs, and you'll see a whole ton of them in here. Mugs. You could do any of these with yours, even themed ones and all that good stuff. But for now, I'm gonna leave it at that. So that was a lot faster, right, than usual. Just because I've already got it. So now I only have 18 more to go. People start buying them, I start making money, it's all good. All right, that's my work session for uploading mug number 2. And if you want more of these, let me know. If you're bored with these and don't like them, let me know that too. All right, have a good one.